Hello YouTube, I got a late night unboxing, but before we open this up, let me explain to you what happened that led us to this point. A few nights ago, I did an installation video. I think you've seen it when I installed the LEDs in my rear tail lights and I tinted the tail lights in the back. Well, I went to work that night, and when I got off of work, I cut on my lights, and I had no dash lights. I had no tail lights, and I had no license plate lights. Now, everything worked. The headlights worked, turn signals worked, brake lights worked. I just didn't have no lights when you cut the lights on. And I knew what it was. It was the lighting control unit. And so I went on, contacted AutoZone, and they wanted $300, $350 I think, for the part. Now, they told me that I can go cheap and try finding one in a junkyard, but you just might end up with a piece of junk because, like I said, they're old too. So what did I do? I went on eBay, found a remanufactured one with a warranty for $60. So let's open this up and see what we have. Let's take this bubble wrap off and see what it looks like. Okay, here it is. This will fit a 2003 to 2004 Crown Vic, Mercury Grand Marquis, and Lincoln Town Car. They're basically the same car, so I use the same unit. Only thing I gotta do is, it's bolted onto the bottom where the steering wheel's at, onto the bottom of the car. Has like 3 bolts that hold it on. You take it off, you unplug it, and then you plug it into the new unit right here, put it back up, bolt it back in, and my lights will work again. Like I said, they wanted $350 for this. It's a remanufactured one with a warranty. Void if you take that part off. This is $60 on eBay. And I'd rather have a $60 piece with a warranty than a $10 piece from the junkyard, and you just, hopefully it'll work for you. So in the morning, I'm going to install this and see if it works. Until then, I'll see you.